Hello, I'm going to show you how to configure Python memory validator to use the Python 2.x runtime. So first of all, configure menu, Python runtime. We can't use the automatic feature because that's been broken by changes to Windows in the last 8 years since we last produced Python memory validator. So choose Browse and go to the location where your Python install is. So this machine is Python 2.7. Python 3 is not supported at the moment. So use python.exe if you want the command prompt, and Python W if you don't want the command prompt visible. You'd use this if you're running a TK program, for example. So we'll choose that. Click OK. Now let's launch a test application. So rocket icon, browse. And we're going to browse to the example application, which is in Program Files, Software Verification, Python Memory Validator, PMV Example, Next, and Start. I don't want that. And you can see there's some data down at the bottom of the screen, and there's data started coming in. So if we perform some actions, you should see some data in the screen behind you. So pull sort, that's usually pretty horrendous. Quick sort. There's lots of data and stuff for you to look at. If you want to compare snapshots, you can do it here. You've got hotspots, so you can see the busy parts of your application. So you can see where stuff was added and so forth.